Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with PKCE for mobile OAuth security, complete guides. In this video, we will walk through the process of authorizing with PKCE for mobile OAuth security. First, ensure that you have a registered application with your OAuth provider. Next, set up a secure code challenge. This involves creating a random string called the code verifier. Then, hash this code verifier using a secure hashing algorithm, such as SHA-256. Encode the hashed output in a URL-safe base64 format to generate your code challenge. Now, you'll want to direct the user to the authorization endpoint. Include parameters such as response_type, client_ID, redirect_URI, and the generated code challenge. Make sure to specify the code_challenge_method as S256 to indicate you're using SHA-256. After the user has logged in and authorized your application, they will be redirected to your specified redirect_URI. This redirection includes an authorization code as a URL parameter. Next, exchange this authorization code for an access token. To do this, send a request to the token endpoint. Include the authorization code, client_ID, redirect_URI, and the original code verifier in this request. Ensure that the grant_type is set to authorization_code. Upon successful validation, the server will respond with an access token and possibly a refresh token. Store the access token securely in your mobile application. Use this token to make authenticated API requests on behalf of the user. If your access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token. This completes the process of implementing PKCE for mobile OAuth security. With these steps, you can effectively secure mobile applications while adhering to best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.